The UL Code Link tool is a valuable resource for quickly identifying the relevant UL product categories associated with specific code sections. This tool simplifies the process of finding the appropriate categories for product compliance and certification. To use the UL Code Link tool, firstly, you need to select a code from the available options. These options include various editions of the National Electrical Code or NEC, such as the 2014, 2012, 2011, 2010, 2008, 2006, and 2005 editions. It also lists the Massachusetts State Electrical Code for 2015, 2013, 2011, 2010, 2009, and 2007. The National Fire Protection Association or NFPA 101 Life Safety Code also appears with the same years as most of the NEC versions. Secondly, after selecting the code, you need to enter the specific section number that references the product you're interested in. For example, if you're looking for information on arc fault circuit interrupters, you might enter section 210.12 of the 2005 NEC. Thirdly, once you've selected the code and entered the section number, click the Submit button. The tool will then display all the UL product categories that are relevant to the specified code section. This information is crucial for ensuring that products meet the necessary safety and performance standards. The UL Code Link tool streamlines the process of identifying the correct UL product categories, saving time and effort. It also helps to avoid errors and ensure that products are properly certified. This tool is particularly useful for manufacturers, engineers, and regulatory professionals who need to quickly and accurately determine the applicable UL requirements for their products. By using the UL Code Link tool, you can easily access the information needed to ensure compliance with relevant safety and performance standards.